In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a motorcycle on Facebook Marketplace. Whether you're an enthusiast looking for a classic ride or someone searching for a reliable commuter, Facebook Marketplace can be a great place to find your next motorcycle. We'll break down the process step by step, ensuring a smooth and informed purchasing experience. First, head over to Facebook. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in the Facebook URL or by using the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're on the main page, you'll want to navigate to the marketplace. This is Facebook's dedicated section for buying and selling all sorts of items, vehicles included, and you can find the marketplace icon usually on the left sidebar of your desktop version or at the bottom of your screen on mobile. Once you're in the marketplace, your next step is to click on the Categories tab and select Vehicles. This will filter the vast array of listings down to include only vehicular items, making it much easier to find the motorcycles you're interested in without having to scroll through unrelated products. Now that you're viewing vehicles, the next thing to do is click on Motorcycles. This will narrow your search even further, directing you specifically to all the motorcycles currently listed on Facebook Marketplace. You'll be able to see various options ranging from sport bikes to cruisers, depending on what's available in your area. After you've landed on the motorcycle listings, take your time to browse through the options that are available. Look for motorcycles that catch your eye or that fit the criteria you have in mind. It's helpful to have a clear idea of what you're looking for in terms of style, make, model, and budget to help streamline your search. Once you've found a motorcycle that appeals to you, you'll want to reach out to the seller for more information. Look towards the bottom right corner of the listing for the Send Seller a Message option. This feature allows you to initiate a conversation with the seller where you can ask about the motorcycle's condition, history, and any other specifics you're curious about. Communicating clearly with the seller is crucial to ensure there are no surprises later on. Don't hesitate to ask for additional photos, meetup arrangements, or even a test ride if it's nearby and feasible. Being thorough and asking the right questions can significantly increase the chances of a positive buying experience. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to finding and purchasing a motorcycle on Facebook Marketplace. Remember to stay safe by following Facebook's community guidelines and considering the option of a secure payment method. Happy motorcycle hunting, and I hope you find the perfect ride.